In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase luck in Plants vs. Brainrots for free. The first method is to use a luck potion if you have one. At the time of making this video, you can get a free luck potion using a code. Go to the site and select Shop, then scroll down and click Codes. Type in Stacks, then press the Claim button. To use the luck potion, you'll need to select it, then click anywhere on your screen. Another way to get more luck is to rebirth. To rebirth, select the Rebirth button. Here you will see the requirements and the rewards. Keep in mind that you lose everything except your plants when rebirthing. Once you have reached max rebirth, you'll begin earning luck for every boss you defeat. Every 500 Brainrots, a boss will spawn in, and once defeated, your luck will go up on the side. I believe the luck earned from defeating bosses resets every day. Another good option is to try and be online when an admin abuse event is happening. The luck for the whole server will be increased, helping you get secret Brainrots much faster. You now know how to increase luck in Plants vs. Brainrots. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.